Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to add photo in TikTok videos. So it's pretty simple. So open TikTok and then click on the plus sign which is at the bottom. Basically do what you do when you try to record a normal TikTok video. So I'm gonna click on the plus sign, and then once you're finished recording a short video, don't record a 60-second video, just record a short video for like 10 seconds or something like that, and then press on effect. And on effects, as you guys can see, the fourth icon on second row, as you guys can see this one, click on this over here. So as you guys can see, you can see the plus sign at the side. Click on the plus sign and you can choose whichever photo you want to upload. So let me say I want to upload this photo over here. So this is the photo, and now you can start recording again. Now remember, this is a face filter, so if you show your face when you're recording the video, then your face will be shown and the rest of the photo will be cropped. So remember not to show your face. So let's start recording again. So my video is done, so let me press on the tick mark over here. So as you guys can see, the video, this is the video as you guys can see. So my first part was of like 3 or 4 seconds, and my photo was of like 5 or 6 seconds. Remember, if you record the full video without the effect, then your photo is not going to be displayed. So that's how you add photo on your TikTok video. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. So I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.